other side. And everything in the learning circle, this is the frustration tolerance where they make mistakes. It's uncomfortable in there. So many kids I work with or that are literal thinkers will either say, I'm really great at it, or I'm terrible at it, so I don't want to do it. But we've got to help them remember that feeling terrible at it, they're not in danger. They do not need to avoid this thing. They do need support and possibly some sort of, slowing it down strategy or lowering demand strategy while they're learning it. But that's all in the learning circle, so we can validate for them that's okay. It's okay, it's safe in there. And some kids are better able to do that in the summer when it's not academic, or they're not in a situation with, they're in a room all day with other kids learning the same thing. So some of the strategies to support kids through that learning process are creating systems so that things are predictable, because that will lower anxiety, making it visual so that they don't have to hold it in their executive functioning if those skills are weak. Making it routine will also not only make it predictable, but also help kids, um, you know, know what to